Hello, my dear friends. I'm Priya Marian from 5th A, and today's session is Managing Emotions in a Healthy Way. Managing emotions in a healthy way means recognizing our feelings, understanding them, and expressing them appropriately without hurting ourselves or others. It helps us stay calm, make better decisions, and maintain good relationships. Do not let your emotions control you. Instead, control your emotions wisely. Tips to manage emotions in a healthy way. Identify triggers, practice relaxation techniques, seek support, engage in physical activity. Here's the short story that tells manage emotions in a healthy way. A girl named Meera was upset when her best friend didn't talk to her. At first, she wanted to shout in anger, but instead she took a deep breath, wrote her feelings in a diary, and later spoke calmly to her friend. She came to know her friend was just tired. By handling her emotions wisely, she saved their friendship. Benefits of managing emotions in a healthy way. Improved mental health, better relationships. My dear friends, emotions are natural, but managing them in a healthy way leads to peace of mind, stronger bonds, and success in life. Calmness and patience are powerful tools to face challenges. Now it's a quiz time, and today's question is, what is today's topic? Stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.